Hey everyone, Graham here. Let's dive into why Wall Street just skyrocketed yesterday. On Monday, May 12, 2025, we witnessed an incredible surge across Wall Street's major indexes. The S&P 500, Dow Jones Industrial Average, and Nasdaq Composite all hit their highest levels in months. The S&P 500 soared 3.26%, reaching 5,844.19, its highest since early March. The Dow jumped 2.81% to 42,410.10, and the Nasdaq catapulted 4.35% to finish at 18,708.34. These gains mark the biggest single-day percentage increases for all three indexes since April 9th. So, what's behind this explosive market rally? The answer lies in a major development on the international stage. The United States and China, two of the world's largest economies, agreed to a 90-day tariff truce. This means both countries will temporarily reduce tariffs on each other's imports. The US slashed tariffs on Chinese goods from a staggering 145% down to 30%, while China cut tariffs on American imports from 125% to just 10%. This truce is a significant relief for investors who have been anxious about ongoing trade tensions. The easing of tariffs has led to a shift in investor sentiment, with many moving towards riskier assets and away from safer bets. The market perceived this progress in negotiations as a positive sign, boosting overall confidence. The CBOE Volatility Index, also known as the VIX, dropped below 20 for the first time since late March. This index measures market fear, and a lower VIX typically indicates reduced uncertainty. On the flip side, gold, a classic safe haven asset, fell by about 2.6%, but that's not all. Individual stocks also saw impressive gains. Apple stock surged 6.3% following a report that it might raise iPhone prices. NRG Energy's stock skyrocketed 26.2% after announcing a massive $12 billion acquisition of power generation assets. Looking ahead, there are a few key events on the horizon. Walmart is set to release its earnings later this week, which could further influence the market. Additionally, several Federal Reserve officials, including Chair Jerome Powell, are scheduled to speak publicly. Traders are anticipating two 25 basis point rate cuts by the Fed before the end of the year, with the first expected in September. In summary, this temporary tariff truce between the US and China has provided a much-needed boost to the stock market, driving significant gains and easing investor fears. While uncertainties remain about the long-term implications, this development has undoubtedly sparked optimism among investors. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on the financial markets. I'll see you in the next one. Catch you later.